Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is June 30th, Wednesday, and I'm here today with fall, which I know is crazy. We say it all the time. We are always a few seasons ahead. It's almost like buying clothes in the store where you can't find shorts anymore because they think it's time to buy pants. But it is time to buy fall. So we have, this is Fall Delight by Blank Quilting, and I'll just show you the small four-piece collection that we have. And then behind me here is all of our fall and Halloween fabrics. So you'll get a chance to get a sneak peek at that at the end of the video. Ooh, this is fun. Yeah, the purple is a fun addition. Since purple and yellow are opposite on the color wheel, it ends up looking nice with the gold shades. And then we have some upside down sunflowers. The sunflowers are about to come out at Dorothea Dix Park in Raleigh. So if you like the sunflower photo opportunities, it is almost time here in the Raleigh area. We also have these beautiful handmade bowls. These are made locally by actually our long arm manager, Linda, has neighbors that do this for fun. So the company is called J&S Woodworking. These have magnets in them, so pins stay in them. So perfect pin bowls. And then these are pin holders. Look at that. One of the wives of the guys, yeah, does cute little bird designs in them. There's a sunshine. Good morning. Oh, it says good morning sunshine. How cute. So these are also pin holders, and you can just drop them right in, and there's a magnet inside. So these are all available in the shop. They are not online because it would be too hard to try to take pictures of all of them and explain all of them, and they're all made out of different woods. But if you're interested in them and you don't live locally, you can give us a call and we can take pictures and share them with you and help you find your favorite. Now, like I said, behind me here is our full fall collection. We do have a lot of Halloween fabric. We have other fall themed fabric here, and there is something for everyone within this group. So if you see something you like, now is absolutely the time to buy it because Halloween fabric does not come back in stock this year, and neither does the fall collection. So I know it's hard to think ahead, but it's time to think ahead. Anyway, I hope you have a fun afternoon. Find something to do to beat the heat. It is hot here in Cary this week. I suggest quilting. Have a great afternoon. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.